Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID is signed in and iCloud is active. This syncs mail, contacts, and photos automatically. Once done, make sure your device runs the latest stable iOS or macOS so features behave predictably. Now open the App Store and install or update core Apple apps like Mail, Messages, and Photos so you have the same baseline tools. This initial alignment reduces friction later and prevents settings conflicts when you proceed to configure each app. Next, you configure each app for daily use. For Mail, add accounts, choose Fetch versus Push, and set swipe actions to speed triage. VIP filters keep important senders visible. Then, adjust Messages. Enable iMessage, allow SMS fallback, and control message history so storage stays lean. For Photos, turn on iCloud Photos and decide between optimized storage or download originals. This balances space versus quality. Make sure to test sending, receiving, and syncing so you confirm the settings. Finally, verify that data syncs across your devices by checking contacts, calendars, and notes. Consistency confirms iCloud is working. Then, refine notifications and privacy permissions so apps only access what you allow, and review background app refresh to preserve battery. If something fails, apps not syncing or crashing, try signing out and back into your Apple ID, rebooting the device, and reinstalling the app. This sequence clears cached errors and often resolves stubborn issues quickly. One tip: keep backups before major changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.